Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore AirPods by resetting through iPhone settings step by step clearly. To restore your AirPods by resetting them through your iPhone settings, begin by ensuring your AirPods are charged and near your iPhone. Open the lid of your AirPods case without removing the AirPods. On your iPhone, navigate to the Settings app and tap on it. Scroll down and select Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth menu, locate your AirPods in the list of devices. Tap the eye icon next to your AirPods name. Next, select the option labeled Forget this device. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your choice. Tap Forget device to proceed. Now close the lid of the AirPods case and wait for about 30 seconds. After the wait, open the lid of the case again. With the lid open, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light starts flashing white. This indicates that your AirPods are in pairing mode. Return to your iPhone and stay in the Bluetooth menu. Your AirPods should now appear as an available device. Tap on your AirPods name to reconnect them. Once connected, you should see an animated pairing screen. After pairing, your AirPods are successfully restored and ready to use. You can now enjoy your AirPods as if they were brand new. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.